pepper. Choose a friend to deliver a pizza to. The black bear. Choose a pizza to make. El Diablo. The necessary items into the basket. Mushrooms. Baking powder. You're doing great. Cheese. Well done. Red pepper. Correct. A lemon. Well done. Halfway through. Eggs. Perfect. Jalapeno. Correct. Salami. Perfect. Garlic. Correct. Well done. Let's prepare the ingredients. Peel some garlic. Let's cut it good. Let's cut it good. Let's cut it good. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are to prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Just a little left. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. To the middle. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. help. Let's help them decorate the tree. Watch out! Fireworks ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done. Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.